The CPA project review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com and this is the CPA project review. Now I don't know what happened to my webcam, it's not working, so I'm just going to shoot this review video this way. And as you can see, I am on the sales page right now. So before I'm even going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to show you my bonus. I have $1,850 worth of bonuses. You'll get all of these bonuses for free if you'll decide to pick up the CPA project today through my link, and it will be going live at 10 a.m. Eastern on the 1st of August. Okay, so I have a bunch of WSO of the Day awarded courses, Blaze, my own WSO of the Day awarded course, Commission Freebooter, Commission Pirate, 9-minute commissions, Instant Tube Rider, CPA $100 per day, the Red Zone CPA system, CPA Profit Storm, CPA Profit Blueprint, 100 ways to generate traffic. Then I have all of these additional bonuses. This is everything is about CPA. Okay, so CPA basic training software, giveaway CPA, CPA Profits on Demand, CPA Goals, CPA email marketing, unlimited leads, social traffic plan, traffic machine, lead generation on demand, Facebook traffic revised. And on top of these 20 bonuses, I'm going to give you my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is 45 W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses and pieces of software. So you're getting all of this just as a thank you for picking up the CPA project today through my link. So you can check this all out in your own time. But right now, I just wanted to show you the sales page. Okay, so these are all of my bonuses and the sales page looks like this. So as you can see, it says how I made $298.10 in CPA commissions in less than 24 hours with a unique CPA traffic strategy. Copy me in 5 minutes of work and see real results as soon as 1 hour. So this is Pallab. This is the guy behind the course. This is actually my JV partner. We released a bunch of different courses and I know that he is a CPA expert. We actually released like a couple of CPA courses, and he just knows what he's doing. Okay, so you need zero startup budget, passive income without selling. That's the big thing. You can make money with CPA marketing without selling anything, so we're going to talk about that. 3 simple copy and paste steps, make money without leaving your home, case studies included, beginner friendly, and obviously they have a ton of proof. So $298.10 in 24 hours. This is the case study that they are talking about. You can make up to $422.80 with just one offer, as you can see. So Pallab, Ram, and William, these are the 3 guys behind the course. So just scrolling down here, as you can see, they made $76.10 on their first day using this strategy. The CPA project, this is the name of the product, and again, this is my CPA project review. So some more proof right here, some testimonials, and obviously they are just explaining what it is. They have some bonuses. Obviously, you're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones, and they have a 30 days money back guarantee. So that's essentially it, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So obviously this is a video course. Everything you need to start is right here, and a part of the videos that I'm going to show you in a second, you're also getting a PDF, which I really like, because I actually like to have something physical and something that I can print out and go through. So you're getting a PDF right here as well, so everything is explained with screenshots. So a very cool addition to the course. And again, you're getting all of these videos explaining. So as you can see, you can download the PDF right here. Then we have the first video, how to select and promote offers on Max Bounty, which is a platform for CPA offers. Then we have the Max Bounty application, how to identify trending offers on ClickBank, because obviously this also includes traffic strategies, and you can apply these traffic strategies to anything: affiliate marketing, selling your own products, selling your own services, even e-com. So obviously you can use these traffic strategies to make money with ClickBank as well. Then finding and uploading a Creative Commons YouTube video, which means that one of these strategies is actually using YouTube, but you won't be using your own videos. You will be using the Creative Commons YouTube videos, which are just videos made by others, and essentially these people just allow anyone to use these videos as their own. So again, you'll be using YouTube as one of the free traffic strategies, but you don't have to actually shoot any videos, okay? Creating a promotional image on Canva, how to create value promo videos using YouTube Movie Maker, how to create value promo using Video, Google Doc versus landing pages. Then we have setting up the Google Doc, best ways to mask an affiliate link, identifying trends, videos using vidIQ, then how to create a suggested video based on trending videos, creating a magnetic thumbnail and finding keywords for YouTube description, the Twitter method, ninja hacks and fresh strategies. So this is the second traffic strategy. So obviously YouTube is the first one, Twitter is the second one, and then Facebook groups is the third one, and we have the pilot poster right here. Then we have the visual overview and final thoughts, and this is essentially it. You have some exclusive bonuses right here, and obviously you can access the OTOs. So as you can see, this is a complete strategy, and again, if you don't know what CPA marketing is, it is a cost per action, which means that you're going to get paid for action and not for actually making a sale. So with affiliate marketing, obviously, if you want to make money, you need to convince someone to actually buy something, and you are only getting paid when someone takes their credit card and actually pays for something. With CPA marketing, you can actually get paid for a simple action like entering a zip code or an email address. So it's super simple to actually convince people to like enter their email, and you know, these offers just have this massive appeal. Like, you know, you're going to be promoting offers like a free iPhone giveaway, which essentially everyone wants to get a free iPhone. So it's very easy to convince people to enter these giveaways. So this is what you're going to see on the inside. This is how easy CPA marketing is comparing to affiliate marketing. And again, with these traffic strategies, you will be able to actually make money with affiliate marketing as well. But again, CPA is just much easier to make money with, okay? So this is everything that you're going to get on the inside, and let's go through all of the upsells right now. So as you can see, main course will be $12.95, and this is the early bird price. The price will be going up after the initial launch period. And as you can see, we have 4 one-time offers. So let's go through the pricing, and then in a second I'm going to show you exactly what it is. OTO 1 $37, OTO 2 $47, OTO 3 $27, and OTO 4 $27 as well. And I have a full written review on my blog right here, so you can check it out as well. As you can see, the CPA project OTO number 1 is 5 done-for-you affiliate marketing campaigns that include the campaigns, landing pages, VSLs, review videos, and offer details, and also email swipes. So obviously, you can make a ton of money with CPA marketing if you'll pick up the main course. And if you want to make even more money with affiliate marketing, that's OTO number 1, $37. Then we have CPA project OTO number 2 for $47. This is a $100 CPA method, which is a different approach to CPA, which you know, you'll be able to make money with CPA in passive income. Okay, so that's additional $100 per day, and even up to $500 a day. So that's just additional CPA marketing strategies. Then we have CPA project OTO number 3 for $27, and these are additional 5 CPA marketing case studies. So obviously you're getting 1 case study in the main course. If you want additional 5 CPA case studies, that's OTO number 3, $27, and the last OTO number 4, $27 as well. And this is a reseller's license, which means that you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. And you can actually do it in a couple of ways. So you can upload this product to your own website and sell it from your own website, or you can just promote this as an affiliate and make 100% commissions. So totally up to you how you want to do it. And obviously OTOs are optional. So you'll be fine with the main product alone, but you know, if you want to pick up the affiliate strategies, or maybe with the done for you pack, or with the additional CPA strategies, you know, totally up to you. You'll be fine with the main course alone, but this is something that can make you more money down the road. Okay, so again, check out my full written review. I have it you know, ready for you. Check out all of my bonuses. You know, I mentioned them already, but if you want to read into it, I have a detailed description of what the bonuses are, and obviously my mega bonus on top of it. So you're getting a total of $1,850 worth of bonuses for free from myself if you'll decide to pick up the CPA project today through my link. And the CPA project will be going live today at 10 a.m. Eastern on August 1st. So just to quickly sum it up, I actually have it summed up right here on my blog as well. So you can make money online without selling anything. CPA marketing is much easier than affiliate marketing. It's easy to scale up because you can just throw more traffic into a successful campaign and make much more money. This works with any niche, so obviously you'll find the CPA marketing offers in any niche. Traffic methods are included in this course, so you're getting free traffic methods, again YouTube, Twitter and Facebook, and also it's an easy way to make money online comparing to like actually selling something. Okay, so I really like this course. I really like the price, especially with the early bird discount, just $12.95 for something that can potentially make you hundreds of dollars per day. So guys, this was the CPA project review. I hope you see the power behind it. I hope you're excited about CPA marketing, and I hope you're gonna make a ton of money with this. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, please give it a share, please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.